Make a great choice today with the 2019 Tacoma. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, rear step bumper, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, child safety locks, multifunction display, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, compass.
We know that the idea of buying a used Toyota is attractive to you. After all, getting a high-quality, low-mileage Toyota at a great price is a smart move. That's why we created the Toyota Certified Used Program. It's the smart choice.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.